Welcome to LearningEngineer.com, where we engineer learning for efficiency. My name is Michael Langdon, and today what I'm going to do is talk about writing a proper email, and I'm going to use the context of the class I teach, Introduction to College Writing, and this email is an email all students have to send me after reading the syllabus. So we're going to begin with basically Outlook. Now this is the Outlook web app, and this is what I use 99% of the time. I prefer it to the program. I just like the browser-based stuff better. It's all uniform and so on. So that's just my personal bias, so that's why I'm going to use this. And there's a lot of applications that are web-based. Gmail, Microsoft's online email, Yahoo email, they are all available online as far as web apps basically are concerned. So that's why I'm doing this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a new email, and so I'm just going to click on this little triangle that's like pointing down here. Then I'm going to click on message here because that's what I want. I want a new message. And you can see we have two, and then we have carbon copy and subject. If I want to add a blind carbon copy, you just click on the options button here and you click show BCC. If you wanted to, you could show who it's coming from, which is you or me. So we could do that as well. You'll see that there's also tracking options here, like request a delivery receipt for this message and request a read receipt for this message. This only works if you're basically sending it to someone else within the Outlook domain that they use at the school. So, and then there's more message options. We'll talk about those in another video. So I'm going to have it show blind carbon copy. And so I'm just going to send this to myself. Mikes for Bikes. And then I'm going to send a blind carbon copy to myself as well. Michael Langdon at Learning Engineer. The subject of this is syllabus. Whoops, syllabus. And this is going to be 8:30 a.m. class, so I just need that. You can also use a CRN number if you wanted to. But that's up to you, just so long as you identify the course. So that's important. Identify the class you are in. Okay. Important. I'm going to get rid of it. First thing we were going to start with is a greeting. Hello, Mr. Langdon is fine. Good morning, Mr. Langdon would be acceptable as well. Good afternoon, good day, anything like that. Introduce yourself. My name is Michael Langdon. I am, and then the reason why you're writing. If you want to put in here also, my name is Michael Langdon and I am in your 8:30 a.m. Monday and Wednesday class. Okay. I am writing to let you know that I have read and I have thoroughly read through the syllabus and agree and understand its terms. If you don't agree with them, generally they'll tell you to drop the class. So, or talk to me, but generally the things are the way they are for a reason. Understand its terms. Now, the rest of it is basically you're going to summarize it in your own words, the syllabus. And what you want to do is, I have a copy of the syllabus here, is you basically want to go down, so here you have course information. So what you'd want to do in your email is open it up here and write course Information. And if you want to put this in bold, like it is, that works. Take the bold off. I understand that this course is meant to prepare me for written communications. And that it is a 3-credit course. Okay, and then the next one would be instructor information. You'd probably want to make sure that you point out, you already know my name, but my email address, the phone number, the division, maybe where my office is located. Basically, under important dates, you'd want to basically reiterate the fact that you need to see the student handbook for more additional information. Attendance participation, basically that you understand how the points work, okay, and that you're not going to text in class, that you'll make sure that your phone is turned off or set to vibrate, and that you will leave the classroom before accepting a call, okay? The ADA statement, that's for students with disabilities. If you don't have a disability, you can skip that. If you do have a disability, probably a good idea to go over that with me. Then the grading plan. This you may want to point out like what kind of grade you're looking to get, and that you understand what the points are for that, and that you understand the points for all of these items. You'd probably want to do almost like a list, and then write these down, and then reiterate the fact that you need to get them done. Again, go over the plagiarism and cheating policy and the guidelines. Go over the plagiarism cheating policies and guidelines. If you need technology assistant, this is very important. This is where a lot of students get behind. So if you don't know or you don't have a computer, it would be a good idea to put this kind of information in your email about what your computer situation is, what your technology needs are, so that I can help you with that. But also that you need to have technology. Tutoring, again, just restate this very simply. One sentence in your own words. Course specific, this is important, and you will want to restate this in your own words, but you will want to reiterate the fact that they have to be in MS Word documents or Adobe Portable Document format. That's a PDF file, and that no other formats will be accepted. Here are the dates. You may want to just pick out a few of these and make sure that you understand that I know that you saw it. Okay, so use your judgment, provide enough details to show that you've read it, but not too many details that it's overwhelming. I just need to have a basic understanding. So try to use some good judgment here. Have headings for each one. Again, if you don't think it applies, just give a brief statement as to what is going on underneath that heading. Okay, so that's your syllabus. So again, you'll want to make those headings in here. At the end of it, don't forget to put your name. Okay? And then when you're done, click send. Now, if you want to send this to more than one person, whoops. Aside from using blind carbon copy, you can put a semicolon there. Did it again. A semicolon there, and then you can type in somebody else's name. Like let's say I wanted to send this to John Norland as well. Now, if they're a Blackhawk student or personnel, you can just type in their name like that, and then you click check names, and it will automatically switch it out. Okay? So once I've done this, I'm going to actually delete his name though. I'm going to click send, and that's going to send it off to me. Okay? Now if you want to ask for a receipt for the one you send me, that's fine. Okay, this is the only assignment that you won't be doing in Blackboard. Okay? Have a great day and send.